What's up, people?
Happy Monday.
It's Monday.
And it's
Y'all
cold.
see this uniform on, y'all know what it means, right? Time to go to work. As they say, work.
Yeah. And I don't care how much rest I get. I'm always tired.
Yep.
So we are currently in Kentucky. We went through it last night, though, didn't we?
Yeah.
That storm. We went through it. The truck was... What's happening there?
What you mean? Oh, maybe he got evicted from his truck. I don't know. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Somebody got evicted out their truck?
Must got evicted. Let me let this window down. Look at that. He got evicted.
Learn how to act right.
Yeah.
But they straight and they got left. They almost want look. The nosy in me want to park and wait and see when the person come back. Did it give me a backpack and a suitcase?
Yeah.
Ooh, they was cutting up in the truck and got left.
Got evicted.
I need to get out my mirror. Ooh. So anyway, we made it through last night. We stayed up because we don't really pick our load up till today till a little later. But we decided to go a little early because unfortunately we are heading in the direction of the storm. So you all pray for us. We are heading to Delaware, and then we are heading to DC.
Turn right at the traffic light.
And then to Texas.
Yeah.
So my nose rings.
Back from where we came from.
What, Texas?
No. Delaware and all that good stuff.
Yeah, and DC is really bad. So keep us in your prayers. Cover this truck so that we don't get blown over because we are never heavy.
Nope.
The heaviest we ever been was 13,000 pounds. That's not heavy at all.
They want you to go right now.
They do.
Yeah.
This flipping, flapping GPS. This GP to the S.
It's doing its
Say,
own
keep your
thing.
hands out the mirror. Just can't keep. Slap the whole flap text out of you if you do that again. Y'all better get it because he just
Cutting up.
doing the most. What we getting on? Staying up here, we ain't getting on 65. Anyway, so I must have bumped my nose right because it's different. I don't know what I was saying. Oh yeah, we heading to Delaware. So it's cold, it's very windy. I was talking about our weight. We're never really heavy. Like when I used to be in my tractor trailer, I could be really close to 80,000 pounds. That weight, you need that weight in this wind.
Yes. Weight is your friend.
Last week we was what? Almost 10,000 pounds. It was
Yeah, I like that
9,100.
10,000.
And you can tell it helps you when you're coming down the mountains and stuff. But
Yeah.
it is what it is. God got us. My faith is unwavering, so I'm not really worried. I do get nervous when the wind is strong. Yesterday we came from Ohio to Kentucky, and hubby drove, and he had a hard time in the wind.
Wind strong. Not
I
so
don't
bad
like
right
this.
now.
I don't like this. I ain't used to it no more. Yeah, he had a really hard time in the wind, so I did when we were rolling through Cheyenne, Wyoming last week. I had a hard time in the wind. It was hard. I mean, you're already supposed to drive with two hands, but you really had to hold with two hands.
Yeah.
My arms were tired, but anyway, y'all. Is that the 5-star, the other truck stop place?
I don't see it. Where is it?
Is it over this way? That way?
It's over there down that street. 5-star.
Anyway. So we're going to try to see can we pick up our load early. So we'll see
Early the better.
We'll see how
More
things
daylight.
go.
They're going to be like, yep, you can get it. We're ready.
Well, this is a little bit of a different look.
Yep.
So we'll see. We may not even be able to vlog. So we'll just get back with y'all in a little bit. Anything you need to say, husband? Anything about
Monday.
that storm? I could tell you was a little nervous
I was
In
caught up in
3/4
it.
of a
last
mile,
night
turn right on
with
Caught
that
up in a
storm
storm.
because he was sitting in the front seat and we had the curtains closed. And the way this truck is made, the curtains, if you sit in the front seat, the curtains are behind your head. They don't go all the way to the window like normal curtains. So he was sitting. Come on, girl. He was sitting in the front seat and just sitting. I said, "What you doing?" He's like watching the storm. I said he a little worried for us about if that sucker start jumping. No, they jumped.
Yep.
That what you was doing up here?
Yep. And
Then we start talking about
get a shot of that.
If the storm comes, what we gonna do? And we ain't had nowhere to run and hide because we parked in a big parking lot of some warehouses that we know we're allowed to park. And so there's nowhere to run. I said, what we gonna do? Run into the woods? What we gonna do? I had my clothes off, pajamas on. I have on nothing but a gown, no shoes, no socks. Where am I gonna run? They's, you need to put some stuff on her ears. They's just the most itchiest dog this side of the U.S. With them ears and that butt and her paws.
We need a real dog.
She is a real dog.
A real dog.
She is a real dog. But anyway, y'all.
A street dog.
Her everything on Bob. If y'all knew how many patches I had on me, them like icy hot patches, I got. That's the 3 miles. I got an icy hot patch on my lower back from my Walmart injury back in 1994. Just like that. I got a knee patch on both knees because I had a bad right knee since I was a child.
Old age or something.
I know I had a bad. I was a child and I had a bad right. I had juvenile diabetes, not diabetes, juvenile arthritis. Lord, fix it, Jesus. Yeah, so I got a patch on both knees. I got a patch on both shoulders and a patch on both. What's this? Your forearm?
Yeah.
That's 2, 4, 6, 7 patch. I'm patched up, baby. But I ain't really. Oh, and I got a patch on my upper back.
Senior citizens.
I don't care what you say. Yeah. I'm tired of hurting.
Senior citizens.
I know what's happening with the upper me. It's the holding the steering wheel for hours after hours, up to 11 hours every day. Because when I used to Uber all day, it would happen, and it started in 2008 when I was working in the hospital. I don't like this. It's in my way. When I was working in the hospital on the computer all day, that's where it originally started. So, yeah, that's probably arthritis, but like my shoulder blades, my neck. Oh, he's delivering our stuff from Home Depot. He's out at the front door or downstairs?
At the house front door.
Oh. Tell him,
I think he left already.
All right, y'all, I got a delivery at my front door, so let me go so I can handle that. Talk to you later. This is how silly this was. Y'all, look at the snow. And look at the, what you call that when you can't see?
Whiteout?
It's like a whiteout up there. Child, I got to put my driving glasses on for this. Child. I hate that they held us so long. And then now we got to drive in the dark. And look at this mess. And I'm about to be out here by myself because him finna go to sleep. Him finna go to sleep. I was wondering what's gonna let me. I say he didn't want to say nothing. I know you sleepy. I don't even know why you sleepy. You been sleep all day. Yes, y'all, and it's not doing justice in person versus on this camera.
Did I give you static? You slept
all day? On this, I never slept all day.
Yeah, you slept all day.
Because on this camera,
I don't know what day it was.
It's not. It's just showing snow, but it's like a whiteout up there. Anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all in 350 miles. Oh, there you go. Hubby gave us some light. So, really quick, I came on. I am 26 miles from my 350 miles that I was supposed to drive. And it is currently 12:17 a.m. We are somewhere in West Virginia. I had to stop. So I've probably been driving about 75 to 100 miles more than I should have in the current conditions. I'm the only truck out here. Every now and then a truck will pass me. The roads are icy. I've seen a jackknife semi-trailer. I've seen a completely flipped upside down where I didn't even know what kind of truck it was. All I saw was all the tires in the bottom of the truck. It really kind of scared me. Then I slid across 2 bridges. But I was trying to be a big girl and just stay slow because the ground don't look bad, but it's in spaces. But of course, we in these West Virginia mountains. So hubby was asleep, and I had just decided that this was enough because at some points you couldn't even find the lines on the ground. You know, I could follow the thick white line on the outside, but that's really not safe. So you see, I'm not ready to put my gown on. I'm about to go to sleep. I called FedEx, told everybody what it is. So tomorrow morning we'll get up really early to try. And then now when I park, I'm in a rest area. Thank God I found a place. But now when I park, it is one snowplow. I didn't see no plows the whole time. One snowplow comes. But when I woke hubby up to say I was getting ready to shut it down, he got up and came in the front seat and said I should have been shut it down. You could just see, wasn't it? I got some photos, some video. The left lane was just completely snow white. The right lane just had 2 tire prints in the front. So I really shouldn't have been messing around in that anyway. So, all right, y'all. You got anything to say, hubby?
Nah, I'm gonna take Daisy out.
Her name is not Daisy.
Let her use the restroom.
He's gonna take Deja to the potty.
It won't be long because she don't like the snow.
She don't like the snow because she little. And it gets all on her belly. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in the morning.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all. Look at the winter wonderland. We stopped last night because I just needed to get off the road. I was the only one out there, so I said, let me get off. So we're about to head off and continue to Delaware. See you in a little bit. It's the hubby's turn to drive.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes, who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got...
Hey, y'all. So, we went through hell and high water to get to Delaware to deliver our load. We've delivered our load, and look at it in Delaware. Not an ounce of snow on the ground. But West Virginia, better believe it. West Virginia was a mofo. West Virginia had me praying. And I always been afraid of the West Virginia mountains on snow. So the sun is shining. It's kind of shining, but we're between these trees right now. It's really shining. To the point I had to put my sunglasses on. But yeah, so we made it safely. So now we're going to go find us a truck stop to park in. I think we're going to the pilot or the TA. And hopefully we can get us a quick little load for tomorrow. One that picks up and delivers tomorrow. Because Thursday? What day is today? Tuesday? Yeah, we need a load for the 18th. Because on Thursday we have a load.
Let's say Wilmington, keep straight.
Well, why they got it covered up with that little construction funky stuff going on?
I don't know.
Anyway, y'all, it say Baltimore, but they say it's close.
Yeah. It's gonna get you detour.
Ain't nothing on these service plazas on 95?
Delaware.
Anyway, y'all,
Turn
so
left
that's
on
what we
I-95
wanted to
south.
let y'all know, was that we made it safe. I know a couple of people kept saying, be safe, be safe. And then I did a video and I sent that video and that was a mistake because then people panicked. It's closed. It's a detour. Is it south? Yeah, it's a detour. See, it's closed. The entrance ramp. They rebuilding it.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, y'all, we're going to get ourselves somewhere. I slept for about hubby said 3 hours. I say it was probably an hour and a half to 2 hours. I went in the back to get a bottle of water and I didn't come back. And got in the bed, put that net over me and went to night. So I feel more rested now. He'll be exhausted from driving his little time that he drove today. His little time. He didn't struggle like I did last night.
In 1/2 mile, be in either of the
I
two left
struggled
lanes,
last night.
then turn left on
Most
Christina
of the time I
Parkway.
was the only truck out there, but there was nowhere to pull over.
Now, did you want to drive an
What
hour?
are you doing? No. There was nowhere to pull over. Anyway, y'all, this is little Delaware. We've been through here, but never in the cities. Always just on the highway. So, what are we doing here? Stadium Park in general. It's telling me in 1/4 mile, I'm gonna turn left.
Yep.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in a minute.
Hey y'all,
What's up?
so we are currently here in, where we at, Maryland?
Yeah, Maryland.
We're
I
in
came in the city.
Maryland. And we decided to do laundry. So we're doing laundry and there's a Golden Corral
At the pilot.
at the pilot. So, excuse me. So, we got our laundry going. I got my timer set. I'm not a buffet type of person. But I said, okay, let's go because hubby wanted to come and eat it. So, okay, let's eat it. Now, just act like we didn't start eating our food already because we forgot the camera. So, I have cabbage. And I've had Golden Corral's cabbage when I was in orientation for truck school, for my CDL, and it was like water in Missouri. But this tastes decent. I threw some raw onion on top. Got me a piece of sweet cornbread. Can't go wrong with sweet cornbread. I got some yellow rice, some green beans. I am in this green bean kit. Some fried okra, some popcorn shrimp, and some corn on the cob. On this plate, you know he was going for that. Then he got meatloaf, fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, coleslaw, and mashed potatoes. So I
That's a
bought another
combination.
plate with him some green beans, and I bought some potatoes, carrots, and roast, and I got him another ear of corn that he's not eating. Because why he ain't had no green vegetables on his plate? Why they do that at?
To eat green vegetables.
Everybody, because I love green vegetables. I love all kind of. I don't know what's going on. I'm in this green bean kick. Man, I be eating green beans straight out the can. In Chicago, we call them string beans. But some people don't know what string beans are, so.
That's life. Know your beans.
I say green beans, but I ain't saying soda.
Anyway,
So we over here. I love green beans and cabbage together.
I understand how back in the day we used to mess a buffet up, and now within the first few bites, I'm full.
I said the same thing. I said I'm not fixing to eat $17 worth of food,
You know?
but I'm gonna try.
I just
Anyway.
want the sweet stuff after this. And then we gotta finish laundry, and then have to drive for a little over an hour, right? Heading to the nation's
We're going to
capital.
Washington, D.C. again. This time we're picking up, and there's no truck stops in D.C. So we're trying to get as close as possible because if we stayed here, it's hour and 57 minutes. That don't include morning rush hour. So then you need to add, okay, when you have sauce on your finger, then you would need to add rush hour traffic. That's a minimum of an hour.
Yep.
And you don't want to be late because where we're going, we don't want to be late. Well, we don't be late anyway. So we're just trying to get closer. So we did find a weight station. I was trying to find a rest area, a weight station, anything to sleep in overnight. So in the morning, when we pick our load up in DC, we won't be so far. And then we are heading to Texas. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Then we are heading to Texas. Then we got a load from Texas back to Brooklyn.
Yeah. Ain't New York considered what? The Empire State.
So we out here rolling. That's 2 loads for the week. That's 2 good loads. And those 2 loads put us in our goal for the week. Because tomorrow starts a new pay period.
Yeah.
So that's so perfect that we pick it up tomorrow. And then hubby found that other load. I ain't a fan of New York. It's just it's too tight for big trucks. But 2 weeks ago we had last week we had a load in New York.
Brooklyn. Yeah.
Brooklyn was good. The Bronx was good. Went to Brooklyn, went to the Bronx. We rode through Harlem. But the first load was in New York. It was not good. It was good when we went in because we went in at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
But when we got ready to roll out that sucker about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, oh my God in heaven. It was so many people, so much traffic. We was by a college. So the everybody was riding those, but I'm gonna call them Uber, like those electric bikes that you rent. That's what they were. Everybody, and they don't care. They
Food delivery people.
Yes. The food
They was
delivery
the worst.
people, the Amazon people delivering on bikes.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got to worry about the bridges because the bridges ain't high enough. It was crazy. It took us probably an hour to get through the traffic that should have took us a good 15 minutes tops.
Yep.
Because you got to consider it was so much happening. It was overwhelming.
Well, you remember
overwhelming.
the guy on the dock that said it was gonna take, because one he had to go like 13 miles.
Yeah, Chad, it took a whole hour.
And he said, he laughed. He's like, bro, on a good day, it's an hour.
When I say an hour, that's just to get out of New York into the Bronx. The Bronx was no problem. We was boom, boom. Brooklyn was no problem. We was boom, boom. Even rolling through Harlem was no problem, which I enjoyed going through all of them because now I can say I've been to Brooklyn, I've been to the Bronx, I've been to Harlem. Mm-hmm. It was cool. We didn't stop and do anything because we were loaded, but it was just a cool experience. So I was going to buy something from the little, they got their little carts set up already.
Oh, the coffee.
Yeah, he was a coffee. Yeah, he had
stands.
coffee and breakfast. Yeah. But he had really just got there and he was getting things set up. And then I fell asleep in the front seat. You went in the back and went to sleep because we couldn't find nowhere to park. So I had to stay parked on the street with my flashers on, so I couldn't go in the back. But I stayed there a good 2 hours, didn't I? And then some kept saying, bag up, because you're at the building. Bag up and see, can you go in that skinny driveway? So I think about 6 o'clock. Yeah, I think about 6 o'clock in the morning, some just said bag up. So I started bagging up, and then, because at first there was nobody by that little opening, and then hubby walked over there, but he didn't walk far enough in there. I kept saying, go look for docs, but he didn't go far enough around that corner. And I said, his car's over there and it's tight. But when I backed up, there was a little guy sitting there, a little security. And I said, I know this is the address, but is this the doc for this? And he was like, yeah. He said, you got to come in straight. I was like, how do I bring a truck in straight from a 2-lane? It was a 4-lane street. I just said, okay. He's like, you got to come in straight. That's not going to work.
No.
My truck too big for that. I told him I got it. So I bagged on up some more. And he kept trying to direct me, but I act like I didn't see him. And then I just came on in with no problem. Went on in there and docked the truck. And then we sat till 8. And then we got washed up and dressed in the truck. Because remember I told you, y'all ain't always where there's a shower. So we pulled them handy dandy bowls out, got washed up and dressed. And because we're never going to be torched. Yeah. And then the guy told Charles it was a good thing he came because he said, you just sat there because we would have never came out. But it was cool. Load was delivered on time.
And what he told me, he said, man, we let you sit out there all day. We don't care. We ain't trying to. We don't go out there and tell people when and where.
So we're gonna see when we go back. we might, if we don't have a load right away, we might maybe get something to eat and book. See how it goes.
You know? Oh, you know about we go back?
When we go back.
Yeah, we might get a chance.
You didn't eat your green beans.
I ate some.
I want you to eat them all.
I'm not gonna eat them all.
Fix it, Jesus. Let me get this carrot. You gotta eat some vegetables in a lifetime.
The only thing
See,
about
but you eating them potatoes.
yeah, I'm done with them too.
Y'all tell him to eat his green beans.
Now I'm eating some. You put a lot on this plate.
Green beans are good.
You put a lot on there.
I got a piece of baked fish, a piece of fried fish.
Girl,
all
my
the carbs.
video's still good. I just realized. We don't know.
All right, y'all, we gotta go. Cause
I hope that's
I
still
forgot the
good. I
music
forgot
was
it's all
playing.
copyright stuff, probably. We just want to check in.
This not a green
Maybe I
bean.
could chop it up to where you can still get the full feeling of eating at the Golden Corral at the Flying J in Elkton, Maryland. Now, it's a huge stop. It's like well over 200 parking spaces. Well over 200 parking spaces. Plenty of pumps, no lines, no horns blowing. But typical of Pilots / Flying J, the parking lot is crap. Holes everywhere. I mean, well, potholes. Let me change
There's
that.
some potholes out there. That's just known because of
Nah,
trucks.
but when you go to Love's and you feel all
I
the
had some fried okra.
you feel all that? No, you don't. So anyway,
Yeah, I've been in some raggedy loves.
they need to clean the parking lot.
But you know,
Thank
Pilot
you
is
very
older
much.
than
Come on,
loves.
Flying J. And they got way too many parking spaces that you gotta pay for and not enough free space. And 9 chances out of 10
See how I ate all my green
beans.
beans? See how I ate all my green beans?
Yep. And look, the TA that we wanted to go to in
And the
Baltimore,
carrot.
they had like, what was it, 400?
Mm-hmm.
400 parking spaces, and you gotta, each one you gotta pay for.
$30.
$30
We ain't paying $30
times
for parking.
400. Never mind. And they say though, if you get fuel, X amount of gallons,
You got to spend $30, whether it's fuel or in the store,
yeah.
and then you don't have to pay.
But still,
I'm not
it ain't
spending
worth
30.
it. No.
Well,
Well, we could
yeah,
between
we
the two of us.
We just ate over here, but they wouldn't have had it over there.
Right.
You'd have to go eat in the iron skillet.
Right. So anyway, that's our little story
This is
here.
so watery.
We finna finish eating. I'm finna go give me some sweet stuff.
See, that's why he ain't had no more. He said, didn't he say he didn't have no more room for his vegetables?
They got cake over there that I see. So
Well, bring
everybody
me
know
some
me.
banana bread. Some,
Y'all know what I'm about.
bread.
You saw banana bread?
No, bread pudding.
You saw that? What was it?
See that one right there where it said bakery? Look up in there.
Oh,
Bakery.
All right. Okay, y'all. We'll holler at y'all.
It's okra.
No, it better not be. I spit it out on the face.
No, spit that out.
It ain't okra. You lucky.
That's fried okra.
No, it ain't okra.
What is it?
Cause if it's okra, it'll spit out.
Why would you spit it out? It's not nasty. If it
I
tastes
don't-
good, eat it.
I don't eat okra.
So what? You ate it today.
No, I ate a script.
Y'all are such crap.
She crazy. I embarrassed the out of her. Can't take a Negro nowhere. Anyway, let me stop it before I cut it.
Cause you
Anything else
embarrassed
you
me.
gotta say?
No, y'all. We just was bopping in to say, hey.
What up?
And you know what's really weird?
I'm gone.
What's really weird is we were in Indiana. Nope. Where was we at? Ohio.
This is not good either.
We were in Ohio. I told you the drink ain't good. We was in Ohio
I need some Sprite.
coming to
Don't
Delaware.
judge me.
We was in Ohio coming to Delaware, and there was snow flurries. Then when we hit Virginia, that's when it got really bad, right?
Yep.
When it got really bad. And then we crossed into Maryland, the snow was gone. Ain't in a lick of snow outside.
Yeah, it
we in
started
Maryland.
phasing out in Maryland. Delaware was good too
Yeah,
yesterday.
Delaware was clear, sunny. It's sunny
I
here.
think it was a little more. It was cold in Delaware yesterday. But the guy said a couple days before that, it
I need
was
to get to eat my corn.
in the mid 70s.
If I eat my corn, I ain't gonna be able to eat no.
I'm out. You can stop the tape.
All right, y'all. We'll holler. Oh, look. Hold on. Look at the time I told y'all that hubby broke my nail. Because we was in the truck and he was trying to fill me up and I ain't want him to. So, because I pulled away from him, he got mad, snatched me into him. I'm trying to fight, bust my nail. When I say bust my nail, I knew it had broke into the meat because I done had nails since 1995. That's 31 years. So I know when my nail is broken to the meat because you can feel it. So my nail broke into the meat, but I couldn't get it off. That hair off that corn. And so I'm looking for somewhere to set my camera. So anyway, what was I saying? Because y'all know I'm old now. So my nail was broke. I cried about it. Y'all a skippy doodle. So then we went home. I got that nail off. I had her sand it off and put new nails on. But she didn't sand it all the way off. Because once we got home, not that day, but later we got home and the next day, I said, my nail is still broke. She didn't sand it all the way down. You got to take that nail completely off. Crazy glue that crack. Sorry, y'all, I just drank. But crazy glue that crack. And put that nail back on top. But she didn't get all the way to the bottom, so my nail was still messed up. But I'm still going to blame Humbies because it should have broke my nail. Y'all look at my nail. Hold on. Because now I got fungus on it. Hold on. You see how green my nail is? And right here, it's split completely across. Now my whole fingernail has come off. This fingernail here, all the way across, not all the way, but the whole is off. So I ain't even finna put no nail on this one. I'm gonna have to let this grow off and probably put something, I don't know. I'm gonna have her polish it, but I'm not gonna put no nail on it. Even my cuticle turned green because when she redid my nails, so I could slap him and them. But anyway, look at my nails. I need a feel, but we've been rolling, so I'm probably just gonna take them off. Y'all know this is my dilemma, diva dilemmas, because I don't play about my nails. I'll be getting these nails done. Anyway, I'm gonna have to get my nails short because I broke 2 more. Thank you so much. Yes.
How about you? You gonna keep yours?
I lost mine. Oh, there it is.
Right there. I found it for you.
Thank you. So, anyway, I was supposed to get my nails short the next time I got them done because I'm tired of busting them up. So then I busted this one. It lifted up back here. You put ice cream on top of it?
Yeah.
And then this one. I took this one off. So look what he done went and got. Why'd you put ice cream with it?
Karen,
Huh?
you don't want the ice cream?
No, you know I can't eat all that sugar. Don't put your fork over here. I can't eat all that sugar. Y'all see what we got?
Look good.
What's this, bread pudding? I don't want ice cream on my bread pudding. I said don't put your spoon over here. I said don't put your spoon over here. I said don't put your spoon over here. I said don't put your spoon over here.
You said you didn't want the ice cream.
But I said don't put your spoon over here. See how he don't listen?
I take care of it.
I'm gonna divorce him tomorrow. Anyway, y'all,
Watch when you eat it. You gonna
I had bariatric surgery in 2006. I do good to have the bread pudding.
That's too much right
I
there.
can't have the ice cream too, and it's a lot, but I can eat much stuff. Well, he knew that when he put that ice cream on top. Let me tell y'all why he put that ice cream on top. Because he knew he was going to eat it.
No, I didn't. I put on top.
That's
If
too
I
much
came
fat
over there,
and too much sugar. I will be doubled
ice cream
over
on mine, you be like,
in the bathroom
Why
and
you
won't
didn't-
want
why you
nobody
didn't put
want to
ice
talk to
cream
me.
on mine?
You would lie. I would have never said that. How you don't know me? We've been married for almost 40 years. We've been together for 42 years. Why did you not know this? This is what scares me.
You don't want it?
No, this is what scares me. Because why did you do this? You should have known better.
You don't want it?
I said you should have known better.
I got
But
you.
you should have put it on. It's ruined now.
Do you want it?
I don't like ice cream on my bread pudding. Who eats ice cream on bread pudding?
Charles.
Bread pudding is supposed to be warm.
Charles.
You're a junk of sweetaholic.
Yep.
And I told him what you did to me in the truck while my nail is busted and green from the start. Yeah, you ain't got no comment. How was it my fault?
Trying to beat me up.
Why was I trying to beat you up? I wasn't trying to beat you up. I was trying to beat you off of me. Anyway, y'all, we're fixing to go so I can eat at my bread pudding that he ruined. Never ate no ice cream. No, it's not. It don't go together.
I forgot y'all bougie people.
Hey, y'all.
Real people. What's up, cousins? We back. Laundry's done. I don't know if you can see the back, but it's a mess. We got the laundry finished. Now we're finna stop. Maybe top off the gas or the diesel or the fuel.
We need to top off the water. We full.
And we're gonna try to top off this here water. You feel me? That's it. Just
Who are you?
wanted y'all to see what was going on.
When you start saying you feel me?
You feel me? Alright.
Fix it, Jesus.
Yes. We'll holler at y'all in a minute.
What if I had something to say?
Oh, okay. I ain't know.
I don't know.
Alright. Because I
just
need to
said
plug it
what
up
if.
here in a minute.
Why, it's slow.
Yeah, we didn't plug it. Neither one of us.
No, don't be
failed.
putting name, but you handle
We
the cameras.
failed.
You
The
handle
wife
the
failed.
cameras. You handle the cameras.
She failed. Anyway, it's
Did
warm
you
in
find
this
the
truck.
address?
Yeah, it's on my thing.
How you gonna plug your thing in?
I'm gonna plug it in when I come back in.
But you need to take that shit off that door.
Exactamundo.
Hold on.
Take your time.
You still got the little camera going?
Yep. They saying you getting beautified to run up this here highway and stuff.
Whatever. I got you.
You could have left your
I got you.
the other direction.
I got you.
Yeah.
I never had no other directions.
I put it in last night. I thought I put it in this night.
What if it's different?
We're going up 95. So don't put it in there.
Let's
It's up to
see.
you.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
See what I'm talking about? See how
Shut up.
See how they treat us?
Shut up.
They want
You
us
ain't
to
put
shut up.
nothing in here.
It was in both of them.
You ain't putting in this one. I have music playing.
Well,
It's not here. You never put it here.
the worst thing that can happen is we get a
See,
strike.
you put it here. It's not there. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Washington, D.C., like we said earlier, traffic everywhere you go. Even in the nation's capital. What'd you say then?
There's always gonna be traffic there. These people coming from Maryland going to work.
Yeah. Yes, they said they gotta make their bread too. Yep.
But it's on my nerves.
Yeah.
It's on my whole nervous system.
Trying to get what we need to get. And they ain't letting us get to our get.
They ain't letting us get to our get.
Nope.
Take 10 minutes to get here. But I talked to the guy yesterday and he said it's gonna be a minute, but that's all right. Sullivan was ready.
Yep.
We left extra early and we moved very close. Very, very, very close. Well, you can't, there's no truck stops in Washington. I guess because, you know, they don't want no crazies to drive up with a truckload of nothing. So,
Somebody will try it. Making sure you can't try it. Get in. So,
what?
So,
Hey, y'all.
here we are.
Good morning.
See us with the uniform, right?
Happy Thursday.
You know what that means?
That means it's cold outside. It says 41, but that's cold for
We
me.
finna go make this dope.
That's cold for me. I don't want to be cold. And in case I got to get out the truck,
Yeah.
I don't want to be cold.
But
So, you know, that's nice. That's a Chevy SUV. Also Traverse. I always like those.
yeah, me too.
Yeah, y'all. So, we over here doing our little thizzle.
Yeah.
Getting our little morning round going on. We ain't had no breakfast yet, but I'm going to make breakfast right quick while they load us. Actually, I already made breakfast. We're trying to do this like high protein thing. Oh, I forgot I made a protein iced coffee drink. And then I have some maple sausage. Don't worry about it. We got it. We gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Got some boiled eggs, some yogurt. Try to keep the protein high and the carbs lower. Not no carbs, but lower.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's what it is. So while hubby is in the back with them while they're loading the truck, I already cooked everything. I just gotta prepare it.
Yeah.
And then we'll be on our way to old Texas.
Yeah.
Where I ain't got no exes. Last time we went, I said, where my ex is.
Yeah.
Woo. What you got going on this morning, Mr. Sullivan?
Nothing. Just a base.
See, ain't that nice?
But not a base. Yeah, I always like them.
Yeah, but this style is nice. I didn't
Yeah.
sleep well last night. We went to bed at what? Almost 11.
Yeah.
Because somebody didn't want to go to bed.
Well,
I had to say,
somebody
turn that
was,
TV off and get your butt in this bed.
somebody was making slop.
He was cooking, y'all. We found some lamb steaks.
I hope they
And
turned out good.
I know they will be. And with some more salmon because we into the salmon. So I had a piece of salmon over top of my salad for dinner. Hubby didn't eat no dinner. Because he had a half banana and a peanut bar. So
That's all it takes sometimes.
and I have a headache. It was on both sides, but now it's just still holding on right here. Just holding on. Hold on. Why?
They're finna cut you off.
No. Just come on. Come on. I'm only gonna let so many of them in though. Come on, cause if you're trying to bogart, you're gonna get pushed out. But you're doing the most, and I should be stupid as you. Should I let him live?
That's up to you. You know I
That tell me you wouldn't let him in. I'm gonna let him live, but see,
They
now
try
you
this
got
route every day.
Now you got the Challenger over there.
Well, he
Come
ain't
on,
gonna take
that's
his
it.
little hot rod.
No, that's it. I let about too many cars. 1, 2, 3, too many cars in.
Yep.
Anyway, so look at it. Just irritating my soul this morning. We got 4.9 miles. Okay, Mr. Little Plum Color Challenger. I'm just gonna let him in. Cause I would just have to be really ignorant to not let him in. But see, here come another one. Everybody can't get in. Everybody can't get in. You got to take the back seat. Okay, that's what I thought. You see him?
Yep.
Gonna tear that little Volvo up. You saw they slammed the brakes.
Yep.
No,
That's
you're
on
not
him.
getting in.
He had
I done
opportunity.
let like 8 cars in. Come on now. Anyway, what was we saying? I got a headache here, but I didn't sleep. I woke up. I went to sleep. I woke up at 1 o'clock to use the bathroom. Then I got back in the bed and my eyes just was forsaking me. They would not go down. They just want to stay up.
Yep.
Dang it.
That was
Needless
me.
to say, I feel a little tired this morning.
Didn't want to go to
A little
sleep
tired.
last night.
Well, I did want to go to sleep.
Not me.
But my body didn't want to go to sleep. I sprayed some sleep. I have this. Oh, Jesus.
On it?
I sprayed some. You see me with my hair now?
Yep. But that big boy came through here. You
I
good.
know. I know.
I don't know where he went. But,
Yeah,
well,
I
we
was
got
like,
about 30 cars got between
Right, they
them.
did.
It
But
does.
I just couldn't go to sleep, so I sprayed some spray on me, sprayed some spray on hubby, and we went to sleep. Right to sleep. But it was after I woke up, so I picked up my phone for a minute, bought some stuff off the TikTok shop.
Yep.
I can't let hubby get on the TikTok shop. It's not good. I let him get on T-Move. That's a disaster.
Yeah.
He done lost his mind.
I done calm down on T-Move right now.
But I got some stuff off the little TikTok shop, some stuff that we really needed. And I got some more of those kind energy patches. And I got something else, because it was cheaper than on Amazon. And I got something else, but I don't remember what else I got. But anyway, I said, girl, put the phone down. Because I had started moving to Amazon. I was like, put the phone down. Put the phone down. Step back away.
So
from
he's
the phone.
determined he's going to get in front of you.
Well, I should have below at it, but
Now,
I
how far did they get? Is my question.
just a freaking idiot.
One car up.
Ooh, I just want to blow my horn at him so bad.
Look at the
Oh, come on!
He's finna tear his
Y'all.
car up.
Oh, my God. Why do people do this kind of ignorant stuff? Oh, look.
We used
Turn the
to
camera.
think-
Is the camera turned? It's turned. Do y'all see the stupid... Oh, it wasn't. Do y'all see the stupid stuff? He couldn't even get in. He had to sit on the side. And here comes some more. Like, why?
We're not in Atlanta. That's
Put your hand down. Oh. I guarantee you. This old white man showed me how to keep people from getting you in the hand. You're in my
Look, I'm
mirror.
trying to fix my
You
camera.
better lower your voice. Talk to me.
Ain't no lower. You say I'm trying to fix
Y'all.
the camera.
That get him. He gonna come up on the side of a milk carton
Now,
on a t-shirt. Play with game of the night. Your face going on the tee.
I think you might have to get over.
I don't need to get over it again. I'm driving.
This is the exit only right here.
Then I need to get over again. Thank you, baby.
Anyway, this is life out here. Somebody's really, really hard.
Woo, shut up, man.
You're not gonna say who.
Keep your hands
Truly something special.